Hello everyone, my name is Manhar Singh. I decided to do MBA right after the college. So that was due to the reasons that I did my engineering in computer science. But after doing a job for 6 months, I realized that the IT field is not just for me. I was not motivated to sit 12 hours on a stretch. So I decided to do some course which enhances my personality and brings out the best in me. So I decided to do MBA for that purpose because it gives me the opportunity to do networking with many people and interact with them, which is my forte. So while preparing for the CAT, there is one major decision you have to take, like choosing a coaching which suits you. So while browsing through the net and going to the coaching institutes and talking about the courses and all, I found MBAGuru to be most intriguing. So they told me that we first analyze you, like the course is based on me, like I will decide how my course will go. So they first analyze my strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, areas, and they told me topic wise, like this is your strength and you have to work on this thing, and if you can do better in that, your score will increase. So that was the thing which I needed at the time. So by the need of the hour, I selected the coaching and it paid really well. Initially, when I was giving the mocks, my percentiles were very high in quant and DILR, but the VARC section was moderate. But there was a point after giving the mocks, I was giving one mock in every 2 or 3 days. So at a point in the last month of the preparation, there was a point when my percentiles started dropping rigorously. So after giving every mock, my grades were going low and low and low. So that was the point I realized that I have prepared enough. I am giving mocks, there is no preparation to be done right now. But my percentile is going down. So that was the point I thought what is happening. So I talked to my teachers and they told me that there is a point, there is a thing called too much preparation. And after that there is a critical point, you can't do anything about that. So they told me that you are done, you are set, all set. So don't worry about it. Just practice the things and that will be enough. So the thing about adaptive preparation is that it is it will help someone in a way they want. So if I am good at maths, from being an engineering student, I was good at maths and DILR. But my VARC, I thought my VARC was my weakest point. And that was true. In my first class, we have to do the homework sheet. So my score was lowest in the whole class. There were 12 questions and I was only able to attempt 4 correctly. And to add to that, I did the rest of the 8 questions incorrectly, and which resulted in the negative marking. So, but at the end, while interacting with my mentors and my faculty, they taught me to not give too much importance to the marks and just focus on the growth. So after doing that, my scores were continuously going up. And in the main CAT exam, I scored 99.8 percentile in VARC. So that was something which was very remarkable. So the things I liked most about MBAGuru was that the faculty is top notch. The faculty who are your mentors are really your friends, who will indulge you in their classes. One of the faculty, they told me that if you're getting bored in a subject, or if you're not doing great in a subject, it is 90% of the chance that the teacher is not indulging you well. But in the case of MBAGuru, I didn't think of this at any moment. So there's a funny story. I did thought that I should give up on CAT, and I started my coaching 3 months before giving the actual CAT. And after 1 month into it, I thought that this is too much, I should give up. There's no point in doing MBA right now, or studying too much after engineering. What should I do? I should continue with my job and quit with the coaching. But then I talked to my faculty members and my quant teacher. My quant is very good, so I was a little bit attached towards him, more than other teachers. So I talked to him, he sat me down and he calmed me. He said, you are preparing for something. It is not about clearing the CAT or anything. You are just studying. The knowledge doesn't go anywhere. So what is the harm in doing that? You continue with your job and you in your field, but you start preparing for it, and we will see how the result goes. The faculty was top notch and they taught us very well. There were pre-class doubt session, in the class doubt session, post-class doubt sessions, and before the CAT exams. Then and when we prepare for interview, it is the most sensitive time which decides your future, like which institute you will get. So that was the time when I was most nervous about, and I thought that I will not get into anything. But after giving 5 to 10 mocks, I like saw my growth, and it was exponential. So that was the best thing about MBAGuru.